All right, I'm a little bit nervous because we're gonna do something I've never done before. For the first time, I'm gonna try a recipe that I've never done before in real time here, right in front of the camera. It's just two ingredients. It's about 40 grams of protein. It takes probably about a minute to make. My friend Scott, I'll have a link to his channel below. He loves it. So he said, Ryan, you got to try it. Again, it's just two ingredients. So let's do it. All right. So ingredient number one is something I've grown up on. I use these a lot in my recipes. I love recipes. So you could just grab something from the pantry that's quick, that's easy. I had this almost every day for lunch as a kid. Tuna, canned tuna. Again, it was a staple in my house, but I've always had it with mayonnaise. And my late mom loved mayonnaise, Hellman's mayonnaise, about a gallon of mayo, but we're going to try it with something different. So step number one is let's open the can. I got this little albacore, this chicken of the sea. I got it with the little flip top here because it's just easier than a can open. Okay, so I opened it and drained it. It's packed in water. You didn't have to see me drain the thing. We're gonna get right to this. But, oh, by the way, before I go on and show you the second main part of the ingredient, do me a favor, just subscribe. Subscribe so you don't miss a video. You want to keep doing these fun recipes, and we'll see if I'm gonna love this or if I'm gonna gag on the camera. So we're gonna empty this, if I can actually empty it, into the bowl. There we go. Just needed a fork. This thing is packed in tight. And first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to give it a little mix with a fork. You don't have to go crazy with it. All right. Now, ingredient number two. This is where I've never had this combination before, and I don't know how it's going to come out. I never had this when I was a kid because just the name of it, I thought it was going to taste different than it has. And I've really enjoyed it lately. We're trying it with tuna. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going cottage cheese. And if you've never had cottage cheese, I was surprised how good it tastes. I thought it was going to be like a really strong cheese flavor, and it's not. So instead of mayonnaise, we are actually going to mix the tuna with the cottage cheese. And by the way, if you've ever done this before, put in the comments below. Have you ever had tuna with cottage cheese before? And if you have, do you like it? And if you haven't, are you going to give it a shot? Or are you like, no, I'm out. All right, so let's add it. So I have the can of tuna first, and the rule is always do a little bit less first. You can always add more later. So I'm going to do 1 tablespoon there, and I'm going to mix it up and kind of see how well it mixes in. So depending how, creamy you like it, that's one. I actually like more. I grew up with so much mayonnaise in my stuff. So let me add another. That was a big one. All right, let's see how this goes. Oh yeah, that's getting the consistency I'm used to. This actually smells pretty good. It's funny, whenever I do a recipe, someone will always say, well, Ryan, can you add more vegetables to it to make it healthier? Absolutely. So what I love to do is stock our fridge with a lot of these pre-cut veggies. It just makes it easy. So if you love celery in your tuna, go ahead, take a little piece of celery, chop it up and put it in. If you like tomatoes, if you want to add salt and pepper and everything bagel spice, go for it. Like there's no right or wrong. There's a few ways to have this. You could have it right out of the bowl. There are. Maybe put it on, like I'm a big fan of these egg white wraps now. I have these instead of any bread or bagels or even gluten-free bread. This is like my go-to. All right, so what I'm going to do now is try this in real time. I'm going to have it right out of the bowl and see how it tastes. You're going to see my reaction. Maybe I'll talk with my mouth full, but I don't know how it's going to go. I'm not going to edit this, and we'll see. I'll keep it clean. I'm not going to curse, but here we go. Tuna with cottage cheese. Okay. My honest opinion, it's really good. Wow. I'm shocked. I was not enough. I didn't know what to expect. This is really good. Like I'm not kidding. I will absolutely use this instead of mayonnaise. And it's so much better for you than mayonnaise. I mean, this has, in a serving, 13 grams of protein, only 2 grams of fat. It's light, and it almost has like a sweetness to it. It works really well with the tuna. So I'm excited. This was a success. Again, if you've tried tuna with cottage cheese, comment below. Let me know what you think, how you like it. If not, are you willing to give it a shot? I think it's fun. I love opening up the pantry and experimenting. Again, thank you to Scott for recommending this. This is going to be added to the rotation. This can be lunch. This can be dinner. And again, if you're enjoying this stuff and these videos, just do me a favor. Take 1 second. Just hit subscribe. Show YouTube that you like these recipes, you want to see more, and you'll be notified every time a new one comes up. Now, if you'll excuse me, I'm going to have some tuna and cottage cheese. See you on the next one.